In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Berg discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you have to search for Berg discount promo codes. Right here, go to this very first website, which is called couponfollow.com, and open it. As you can see right here, we have some promotions that we can use to get some discounts. So, for example, if you want to get this 10% discount right here, you can simply select your coupon code from right here, and this is the promo code. If you want to copy this one, you can tap right here and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase to get this 10% discount right here. Also, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, and we also have right here some promo codes. So for example, right here, if you want to use this one with 20% discount, all you need to do is simply select copy code from right here, and this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy this promo code. And if you apply this one on the next order, that is minimum $15, you should be able to get this 20% discount right here. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.